Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious bagels in your air fryer. First, let's prepare the dough. Combine 1 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast in a bowl. In a separate bowl, mix 3 cups of bread flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry. Then knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Now it's time to shape your bagels. Divide your dough into 8 equal pieces, each weighing about 3.5 ounces. Roll each piece into a rope, then form a circle, carefully pinching the ends together to create that classic bagel shape. Next, boil your shaped bagels for 30 to 60 seconds per side in water that has 1 tablespoon of malt syrup added. This step gives them their signature chewy texture. With your bagels boiled, let's get them ready for the air fryer. First, preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush each boiled bagel with an egg wash, then sprinkle on your favorite toppings like sesame seeds or everything bagel seasoning. Air fry the bagels in batches for 10 to 14 minutes, making sure to flip them halfway through the cooking process for even browning and a perfectly crispy exterior. Once your bagels are beautifully golden brown, remove them from the air fryer. It's crucial to let them cool completely on a wire rack. This helps them develop that desirable crispy crust. Then, slice and serve your fresh, homemade air-fried bagels with cream cheese, butter, or any other spread you love. They're perfect for breakfast or a snack. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.